With August quickly approaching, the Southwyck Lanes three-strike challenge is entering its last few frames with a big jackpot sitting out there waiting for a winner. Over $300 on the line tonight as we head to Southwyck Lanes, and Tony Holland is our bowler this evening. Pot is $327. His first ball, you have to get all three strikes to win the pot, so you need a strike to start off with, and he got 7 out of 10. Now, I understand Terry back in the day was quite the basketball player at start back in the late 80s, averaged over 25 points a game, and some of the times those skills translate to the bowling alley as well as he picks up the spare. So that's $10 he's going home with. And finally, Terry, who likes to play dominoes, pool, and spades, Tony comes up with $18 for this evening's work as Steve Ronkowitz is standing by with Holland.
Hey, that first shot looks like just didn't quite come up for you. Did you kind of miss your mark on that?
No, I didn't put enough fingers into it. I needed to put a little more into it. I was going a little light like I was going down and in, but I should have put a little more fingers in and came around the ball a little more.
It's tough to come over on this side all of a sudden and try and figure out the shot after only a couple of practice balls, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, because the lanes are very different, and then I got a couple shots to try to find me a line, and I didn't even get a chance to throw it out and in, but it's fine. Picked
up the spare, though, and then just couldn't get that second strike either.
Oh, yeah. 18, I can deal with it.
All right, Tony's going to take home $18. There was $327 on the line. We'll roll it over again. Oh, you didn't know about the $327 part. We're going to roll it over. We'll see what happens next week. We're running out of time. Somebody's got to win some money.